Are you looking to Netflix and chill, but you just don't have enough inches of television? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 1080p Magcubic Projector. This is a smart projector that's full HD. It has apps built into it, and also it's super bright and even has a speaker in it. But as you know, in every episode of Get Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Let's take a look at this Magcubic 1080p projector right here. HDMI powered hi-fi speaker. It's a smart projector, so it does have some apps built into it, some auto stuff, so it can auto keystone and focus. Very, very nice. Packaging looks good. Let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this user manual right here, and wow, it looks like it's in color and in multiple languages, so that's always a huge plus. But all the information you need right there to get it set up and turned on. Very nice. Next up, we have our wall outlet right here. It looks like a unique power plug, so make sure you don't lose this and keep it safe. But right here is the power adapter you need to turn on the projector. Next up, we've got the remote, and the remote looks really nice. Good clicking sounds on it. Looks really simple to use. Batteries wise, it takes 2 AAA. Those are not included, so keep that in mind. And the reason you're here, the projector itself. This thing looks awesome. It's really, really sleek. It feels nice. It feels quality. Got HDMI port right here, USB, our power plug. Looks like part of the radar system for the remote, and it looks like right here a way to hook in headphones or speakers via auxiliary. But keep in mind, this also does have Bluetooth built into it. The stand built into this thing is just awesome. Look how simple that is to use right there. And if you'll notice on the bottom, you can also hook this up into a tripod. So very, very cool. Huge fan right here. Super nice. Got some speakers, and then we've got our little glass right here as well for the projector. So everything looks really, really good. Let's go ahead and try it out. This is the Magcubic HY310X 4K mini projector. Native 1080p at 420 ANSI, experience the Magcubic projector boasting a native 1080p resolution and an impressive 420 ANSI. Brightness at 4K support. Powered by the advanced H713 chip and the use of dual-sided coated lens, it delivers brightness and clarity that surpasses other projectors by at least 220%. This means stunning clarity, exceptional contrast, and vibrant colors that bring every detail to life. The Magcubic projector ensures an unforgettable viewing experience anytime, anywhere. Autofocus and auto keystone, so you can enjoy effortless clarity with advanced autofocus technology, ensuring a sharp image every time. It features an advanced plus the negative 30-degree automatic keystone correction for vertical only. It will automatically adjust the screen as a rectangle within 2 seconds when you rotate the smart projector vertically. 180-degree adjustable stand for better view. The mini projector comes with a versatile 180-degree rotatable stand, allowing you to easily position it at a different angle for the perfect viewing experience. This feature allows a flexible adjustment of projection angles, so you can project it onto the wall or ceiling. Unique non-detachable bracket makes it easy to rotate, but also protective for the adjustable projector itself. And it's got the upgraded Bluetooth 5.2 and hi-fi built-in speakers. Equipped with the latest BT 5.2 chip, the HY310X supports a stable connection to various Bluetooth speakers, the built-in 5-watt stereo speakers delivering immersive and powerful sound. 100% to 80% zoom and low noise for versatile projection needs. The HY310X offers features like manual correction, 80% to 100% zoom, aspect ratios of 4.3 to 6.9, and sleep timer, plus a customizable brightness and contrast settings for personalized viewing. following. For productivity business, it supports Excel, Word, and PPT. Playback via the USB. It supports ceiling, tabletop, tripod, and wall mounting with a 1/4 inch screw hole at the bottom, meeting different projection needs. Right here is the perfect way to immerse yourself into gaming, to turn your home into a cinema, plus to bring your cinema outdoors. You can get up to a 100-inch projection screen on this thing. And with the fact that it's got 5G plus 2.4G dual band Wi-Fi 6 built into it, hell, you're going to be able to get really fast speeds no matter where you're at. Another fantastic product from Magcubic. I gotta say, this thing is awesome. It's always exciting working with you guys. Another exciting adventure into entertainment. Great job.
As you know, we worked with Magcubic in the past, and their other projectors have always been fantastic as well, and this one is no exception. The interface is easy to use, it's easy to understand, the picture looks nice and crisp and bright, speakers get the job done. Gotta say, it's very chef's kiss. That's what I'm doing. If you want to give a huge shout out to Magcubic for sponsoring this video, you can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.